everybody, and welcome back. I just want to start off by saying that I was sort of right. I said in the last video that there was only going to be about 3 people that watched, and actually there was 9. That's kind of surprising. The camera I'm using is actually just a GoPro Hero 5. I figured it was going to be way easier to do these kinds of things by myself. I've got a suction cup mount for it, and it's just kind of stuck to the sunroof, so it seems to be actually working pretty good. I don't know a lot about film and videography and taking pictures and shit like that, so I'm still playing with the settings. I also don't have like a ton of money to drop on new video editing software. Not that I would really know how to use it anyways. So the last video was terribly done, primarily because the only software that I have is iMovie. So I'm pretty much just kind of playing with the settings a little bit to see what's actually going to give me the best video quality. It's going to take some time, but eventually we'll get in a good place with it. I also started a Instagram account with the exact same name as the YouTube channel. So if you would like to, by all means, go ahead and look me up and check that out. It's really only got like 1 picture on it right now. I just did it like 8 hours ago. The first topic that we're probably actually going to cover, I think, is going to be like minor detailing. If you can't tell from the video quality, which you probably can because it all looks like crap anyways, is that the inside of this thing is actually pretty dirty. I'm not really good with the inside. I've read a lot of things online about how you shouldn't use Armor All, you should use Armor All, but their Armor All will make your windows get all foggy because of all the moisture that it leaves, the oily residue, and as it evaporates, it gets on the windshield and stuff. So I really don't want to use that, but the inside, like the dashboard itself, like it really needs a good cleaning. So I'm gonna actually start looking into that over the next couple of days. Is the best way to clean the inside, like the hard plastics. That's the thing that I struggle with the most. I mean, other than that, it's pretty much just vacuuming and cleaning the windows. And if you don't know how to run a vacuum cleaner, you're probably an idiot. And then we'll kind of like talk about the outside of the car. I actually wash my car like once a week, sometimes more, sometimes less. It all depends on the weather. And then we'll go over like hand drying and other kind of boring stuff like that. Washing your car on a budget, or washing your car at a car wash place, like one of those self-serve ones where you put a shit ton of quarters in the machine and it turns on a pressure washer. That's one I usually use because it's really quick. I mean, there's days where I'll spend 45 minutes or an hour just on the outside of it in my own driveway, but I think that's going to be a video all on its own. What the fuck? I'm going like 5 miles an hour all of a sudden. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to do a quick video. Hopefully the 9 people that watched the last one come back and watch this one. That'd be pretty cool. Also, if we can get some pretty good discussion started in the comments, that would actually be pretty awesome too. So if anybody watches this video and knows how to clean the inside of a car pretty good, feel free to leave a comment inside and tell me what your routine is. Tell me how you do it and what kind of materials you use, and maybe I'll pick up some of those and we'll give that a shot and we'll see what happens. Also, I've been kind of like taking a little bit of footage here and there for like a pretty dope ass intro that I can hopefully maybe figure out a way to have it come out pretty decent. So if anybody has any ideas as far as that, filming angles, or a good way to splice things together, or maybe even a good song to go with it, leave that down in the comments as well. I appreciate everybody that's actually watched it, and I hope that you guys keep coming back.